In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create new lists in Freshsales. Whether you're managing a small team or handling a large number of contacts, the ability to create customized views is essential for keeping your data organized and accessible. So, let's dive in and walk through the process together. First, head over to the Freshsales website. Open up your preferred web browser and type in the Freshsales URL, bringing you directly to their homepage. Once you're there, your next step is to move towards the top right corner and click on the Login button. This will take you to the sign-in page where you'll need to enter your credentials. Go ahead and type in your email address to initiate the login process and then continue to fully sign in. After you've successfully logged into your Freshsales account, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. Look to the left panel and find the Contacts section. Click on it, and this will redirect you to the Contact screen where you can manage all your entries. Now, direct your attention to the top of this page where you'll see a plus icon. Clicking on this icon is how you'll begin the process of adding a new view. Follow this step by selecting Add New View from the drop-down menu that appears. This option will allow you to create a tailored list view based on specific criteria that matter to you. Setting up these criteria involves choosing relevant filters to complete your table view. Filters enable you to customize how you see your data, ensuring you have quick access to the information that's most crucial for your operations. Take your time here to select the right conditions that align with what you're aiming to track or analyze. Once you've chosen your filters and are satisfied with the configuration, head towards the bottom of the setup window and click Apply. By doing this, you'll finalize your new view configuration, and your table will adjust accordingly to reflect the applied filters. Finally, to preserve your setup for future use, you need to save this new view. To do so, look for the floppy disk icon located within your table header. Clicking on this icon will allow you to give your view a name and save it for easy access later on. It's a crucial step to avoid having to recreate your setup from scratch every time you need it. And that's it. You've successfully created a new list in Freshsales. This straightforward process ensures your contact management is efficient and tailored to the unique needs of your business. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing in Freshsales.